Oops.
It's okay.
I already made the hair car very dirty, guys.
You'll have to wash it.
Okay.
No, I'm joking.
This is what white people do in Africa. They wash cars. Let me take out the mask like a bad person. Welcome to Nairobi, Kenya with Mumbua. She's the most famous singer in Nairobi.
Thank you.
And she has a YouTube channel where you can watch her video actually, where she's singing, and she did many collaborations. But right now we are here to try some Kenyan cakes.
Yeah.
And Kenyan drinks.
Yes.
By the way, in Kenya they do not use the plastic bags. So we get one
That's fruitcake.
fruit cake in a brown bag. Okay. I'm scared to open it. Okay. I told the I told the Tumbua that I have a hole in my window, and therefore she suggested me to buy some tape. Otherwise, I'm gonna get malaria, and we are okay.
Not going to.
And she also explained to me what to do if I get malaria. So we're gonna be fine, guys. I'm gonna just be sick twice a month, and we'll be good.
No, you're not going to get sick.
There is this huge piece of cake, ciambellone we call it in Italiano. I don't want to make the car dirty, so we're gonna put it inside for now. And we got a blueberry cake. This girl thought I was a very mean person, so she wanted me to become a bit more sweet. oh, very pretty. Blueberry cake. These pieces are huge. What do you do? Do you eat my English? Any time is good for a cake in Kenya. So which one should I taste first?
Let me see. Start with this.
I heard that it's very common that in Kenya they do it with the hands. Or is it
No, cake.
No.
No, ugali, not cake.
Ugali,
Yes.
the meat.
Ugali and meat.
Ugali is rice. What's
No, ugali is like maize flour in water.
Okay.
More of like hard porridge. Yeah.
I have no idea, but okay, that's what you can eat
You
with
will.
hands.
You will.
She will send me the photo because as I joked with her before, when I ask her a suggestion, she writes me back the Bible. So now I know everything about Kenya, but I know so much that I forgot most of it. Let's pray. Super busy this place.
Yes, very busy.
For a moment I thought that you wanted to bring me to the liquor shop. You see? So we got a brown tape. Do you think I can use it on my skin to look like you?
Yeah.
Okay, no, maybe the darker one.
No, this one.
This one, okay. I'm Kenyan now. Gosh. I'm making myself dirty, but I'm gonna clean everything and not just the car. But it's really good. I will totally have it for my birthday.
Yes, it's very nice.
You were 100% right.
I know. It's my favorite.
This
This
is-
and the other one.
Guys, I mean, it's 1 kilo of cake, but
Very nice.
I need another piece. Gosh. Gosh, it's really good.
Very
You wanna taste?
No, I'm okay.
What I noticed in Kenya is that you are forced to not pay. It's not the first time. Like yesterday, my friend Danny, he was like, "No, Miguel, you cannot pay. I have to pay for this coffee. I have to pay it." I'm like, okay. I have to pay it next time. It's like, no, you are in my country. And
Yes. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be.
you guys are very proud. Like Kenyans, they wear such bracelets apparently.
Yes.
Yes, someone
You're
gifted it to
Kenyan
me.
now. You're Kenyan now. I should look for a Kenyan name.
Yeah. So how much time do you think I need to learn Swahili, the Kenyan language?
Depends on how fast you are.
I'm fast in eating it, but not today.
The basic things like sasa, that's hi.
Sasa,
Hi.
okay.
Hamariako, that's like how are you.
Abariako, Sasa, Abariako.
Good!
Hi, how are you?
Kwaheri, that's bye.
Bye, Kwaheri.
That's Kwaheri, bye.
Bye, Kwaheri.
Yes.
Kwaheri. I thought it was one word, Bye, Kwaheri, but it's just Kwaheri.
Bye, that's Kwaheri.
I think I need to watch the video again to remember everything. This one is delicious, but now I need to try the other one. The other one, as I told, looks like an Italian ciambellone. I'm gonna break a piece, so I will not make the car dirty. I will just make my...
No, it's okay.
My legs are dirty now. I am a dirty person today. Oh no, it's breaking. We got a piece of fruit cake. It remembers to me something like meat. You know what I mean? You know that meat that you put together with bread?
Mhm.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
looks the same. That one I love the most.
This one.
This one, it's good with milk. I would eat
Yes,
it.
with milk, with something.
Yes, because it's dry.
Yes,
This one in the morning is perfect. This one for dessert at night.
yes.
Okay, so I got breakfast and dinner every night. I love this mess.
I knew it!
Why people think that I am Kenyan?
Because you look so comfortable. Walking around. You look like a normal person, like a Kenyan.
Like a normal person.
Yes.
So the tourists are not normal.
No, they are scared of going to certain places, but you're not scared. You're walking everywhere, anywhere.
Yeah.
That makes you a local.
I am a local. Look, this is my Kenyan passport.
Yes.
I have my third passport today. Did I tell you that I came illegally to Kenya? Now you can arrest me.
I should arrest you. I'm looking for the handcuffs.
Such games not in the car. So yes, this hole we're gonna fix it. Oh my gosh, I'm so dirty, guys.
It's okay.
I'm lucky the camera is not pointing at my leg. Maybe it should be pointing at my leg.
Yes.
She said yes. Okay, that's my situation over here. It's fun, yeah? If I eat, I cannot speak. And if I cannot speak, they cannot laugh.
But they're laughing already.
I hope so. What makes... she told me, do not make me complicated questions.
Do not do that. Don't do that.
What makes a Kenyan Kenyan?
Wow. Swahili.
Swahili?
Our Kenyan flag. Very unique flag.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Our culture. Our Maasai culture.
what's different about Kenyan culture compared to the other cultures?
I think Kenyan culture is so diverse.
So diverse, okay.
Yes, it's diverse. Like we have so many cultures in Kenya. You have the Kikuyu culture, Maasai culture.
But it's diverse from Tanzania, Rwanda, or
Yes.
Uganda.
Yes, it's not... okay, what I can say we share with Tanzanians and Ugandans, maybe the Maasai culture.
Okay.
Yes. But the rest of the cultures, I think it's only in Kenya.
So the Kenyans are the white people of Africa,
Of East Africa.
of East Africa.
Yes.
Looking at the past, like the progress that Kenya made, seems like it is the place where to be right now.
Yes, that's why you're here.
Yeah, I'm here to grab every follower, subscribe. No, but for real, I have this feeling like if you make an investment in Kenya right now, in 20 years you're gonna be a millionaire.
That's true. That's true. Actually, so many whites, so many Italians and Germans own the big hotels, the beach hotels.
These are the mafia guys and not the...
Even you can.
I know.
You can. Anyone can.
I thought about that. I thought about joining the Italian mafia here on the coast, but
Yeah, anyone can.
did you understand what I said?
I know. I understood what you just said.
No, apart the stupid jokes. Oh gosh. Before they cancel my channel for my stupid jokes, let's have a piece of sweet cake. Do Kenyans get mad if somebody jokes too much?
No, Kenyans are jokers.
Okay.
Honestly, yeah.
That's important to me.
Very, very big jokers.
Because I always see people smiling everywhere. What I like, everybody is smiling. And what many Europeans are gonna tell you is that it looks very scary. I act confident maybe, but I don't have the balls to make a video with a proper camera and streaming on the streets. Not yet. I can use it as small camera, but I think I need to change skin color to change camera.
You can change. You can have my color.
Okay. I can have also your car.
Yes, of course. Anytime.
Guys, from now on the vlogs are on a BMW. Oh, we are done. I can sell this car. I don't need this channel. Bye bye.
You've made it in life. You don't need it. You don't
No.
need to.
No. When I will be rich one day, I will keep making videos because it's too fun for me. I love it. I love doing it. And it makes you super happy, the interaction with people.
Yeah.
And the interaction I can have with you right now Also, the fact that you said you are shy, but we are recording this conversation.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm trying to ignore.
Yeah, it doesn't exist, the camera. I'm just gonna kiss it. I'm joking, eh? My camera is burning. There are 34 million degrees outside.
34 million.
Yes, and I do not know how this cake didn't melt yet, but I lied.
He lied. He lied.
I didn't lie, I'm Kenyan. Kenyans don't lie.
26 degrees.
26! How much time do you think until I become black? You know, Michael Jackson became white. How can I become black?
First tell me how I can become white.
Oh, you don't want to be white. White people are boring. Everybody is white. You're unique. But my bones are white and your bones are white too. You know?
Yeah,
You
true.
wanna check them? Let's open it a bit.
Open here. You start with here. Open here.
Okay. Yeah, but you can already see it. I'm transparent.
White bones.
Oh my gosh, so many stupidities am I saying. We have a video for now, so we don't have to record because this thing is stressful for me now. Because, I'm trying to be funny, but I'm losing it. And now I'm worried that I'm gonna say something stupid that is gonna get me cancelled. So, thank you so much for watching. Keep reading and believe in your dreams. Go check out her channel, is gonna link up here on her face. Come here closer for the thumbnail. Smile. Thank you again. Ciao. Let's see if the hands will become shy.